Beginner's Guide to Using a Router in Woodworking. Welcome, DIY enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of woodworking with routers. If you've ever dreamed of creating flawless edges or intricate designs, you're in the right place. This versatile tool can transform your projects if you know how to use it correctly. First, do choose the right router and bit for your project. Understand your tool's various settings to enhance precision. Always secure your workpiece firmly for stable routing. Remember, practice on scrap wood to hone your skills before tackling bigger projects. This builds confidence and hones technique. Do not rush through your project. Haste leads to errors and potential safety hazards. Avoid using dull or incorrect bits. They can damage your material and the router itself. Never neglect your safety gear. Always wear goggles, ear protection, and a dust mask to protect yourself from debris and noise. Before you begin, make sure the router is unplugged when changing bits. Check that your router is steady and free from damage. Always keep your hands away from the spinning bit, maintaining full control. Respect the router's power. It's a tool to be handled with care, not a toy. With your router, you're not just building, you're crafting art. Experiment with different techniques, like edge profiling or freehand routing. Let your creativity flow and explore what this tool can help you achieve. The sky's the limit when you master the router's potential in your woodworking projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Join our community and stay inspired with endless creative possibilities. Happy woodworking! And remember to share your router successes and adventures with us in the comments.